4 habits to help you focus better. Focusing comes in different forms for everyone. Some like to listen to music to help them focus, while others want complete silence. Keep reading for 4 tips that help you find your focus. 1. Have a daily plan. You should wake up every morning with a plan of what your day will look like. This doesn't have to be a detailed schedule that outlines every minute, but having a plan in place that'll eliminate small decisions that can get you off track. Having a plan will also give you a clear goal of how your day should progress and end. Take every evening to write out, not just in your head, the plan for the next day. It can include what you'll have for breakfast, through what order you'll complete your work in. It may also be helpful to prep items such as meals, coffee, and clothing to keep you on track. 2. Moment of enjoyment. Every day, take at least a small amount of time to do something you really enjoy. This can be peace and quiet over your coffee in the morning, a piece of candy in the afternoon, or snuggles with a pet or loved one in the evening. Having that moment of enjoyment will give you a respite from all the to-dos that fill your day and give you time to reset and prepare for what comes next. 3. Be persistent. If a task isn't coming easily to you, feel free to walk away for a few minutes or even a day. But be persistent with the process and don't give up. Allowing yourself to bounce from task to task to avoid the difficult work will leave you with a list of half-done tasks and a brain that's running in a million different directions. 4. Have a day off. There's no rest for the wicked, and the righteous don't need it, is a familiar turn of phrase that praises the busy. But we all know that isn't the truth. We all need a day off to rest, reset, and recuperate. We also need time with our families and friends to fill our cups and remind us why the hard days are worth it. Focusing better is both a mindset and a physical act that you must prepare your mind and body for. Be sure that you're doing everything in your power to set yourself up to the best of your ability.